explore and experience again the hard book experience, reading from the hard book. All right, guys. Monday. Ooh, Black Music Month. Aretha Franklin. God rest her soul. Quest that I got, baby. Mary Makeba. Bianco. Kojako. Say what, say what, say what. Yeah. Girl, you know what's up. Ooh. Say what, say what, say what. Ooh. Girl, you know what's up. Hey guys, I'm at the library. I came to just check around. I used to be an avid reader one time. I still am, but due to motherhood and life happenings, I've slowed down already, and I am trying to get my mojo back. So I came on here to see how the library is and see what books I could lay my hands on and just to read hard copy per se, because I read what's it called? I read soft copy, but sometimes hard copy makes a lot of sense. So I want to reminisce and go back to the 20s. Anyway guys, let me show you around how this library looks like. It's quite cute, organized, and full of books. It's well organized. Because it's summer. Yes, yeah. Alright, minutes. Turning shortly. We have books and books and lots of books. Lots of books. And DVDs. We'll still read them. We'll still watch his DVDs, audiobooks. Okay, that's fine. I can deal with this. Okay, so organized and detailed. Oh my god. Oh my god. They are so detailed. They are so detailed. Anyway, guys, just check around this library through my eyes. Can we tell you I'm all about entertainment, information, and just biographies, juvenile. Okay, I didn't even know what I think I should read. I'm spoiled for choice. Juvenile. What books have you seen? What books have you seen?
World language, juvenile.
It's white. This is nice. Nice. Hi. back. So books have you gotten for yourself?
But I need to give you information.
Meal grades. Library is quite big and well stocked up. There's a book for everybody, all ages, categories. Nice. Serene sitting environment. Books for Father's Day, audiobook Health and Fitness, religion, inspiration, classical music. Nice. Large prints for those that cannot see properly. Foreign languages: Espanol, French, Spanish, and a sitting area. A very lovely view, guys. Very lovely view. Serene environment. That's what's talking about community. Stay in the community. You have all the social basic amenities. Come on, Nigerians. Let us buckle up, meet up. We are lagging behind, seriously. We are lagging. Just basic facts about life. Simple things we should enjoy in our lives. We do not have it. We do not have it. Anyway, guys.
This one? No, the other one. Oh, this one's white. I don't know.
Ooh, Black Music Month. Aretha Franklin. God rest her soul. Queen of music. Queen of soul. Makeba, Beyonce. Cool. I think I'll read this. Curious. I'll read this. Apple Mali. And what's this? Tupac Amar Shakur. Wako Jaco. Nice. It's really open bay. Seriously, books. Guys, I think I'll be reading this one. Bay. I'll find myself a corner and read this one just to while away time and explore and experience again the hard book experience, reading from the hard book. Alright guys, hope I'm able to show you through my eyes how this library looks like, how organized, how detailed, and how every category of books are here for you to pick. Nigerians, I think we should toe the line. We are far behind, honestly speaking. We should toe the line and cultivate reading habits for our children, having libraries in every community, every area, every school, and just invite the reading culture. Anyway guys, I'll see you when I see you. Bye. going upstairs to where the grown-up books are. Quite a big library, I must say. Breakfast level for grown-ups rather. I love magazines. They're all 2025. So you're gonna be up to date with fashion or stuff. Nostalgic, Reader's Digest. I used to get this every month one time. Like I said, mother would have taken over our life issues. God help us. Things we love to do. We stopped it. Reader's Digest. Then Reader's Digest, Cosmopolitan, Essence was always my go-to to read and unwind. Looks interesting. Tags and highways. Food, wine, and pasta. Here upstairs. The library has 3 floors. Mind me just walking around. Let's check out the community, guys. I have a YouTube channel.